we up and running. Yeah, that's the work we got for the day. Something that's happening. Back again. Feels like it's been a long time. Because it kind of sort of has. Make sure I got everything that I need up out of here. Give me some safety goggles. It's a little bit tricky today. So yeah, but we out here back in Richmond Express Couriers. We got a couple vans to get done. 1, 2, I think it's about 8 to 10 of them today. The wrestling team, they're at another job right now. So I just came out, get everything set up and started. And yeah, I'm gonna get started on this one. Start on the outside, got my bucket and stuff ready. Everything ready to go. So I'm just gonna start on this one and move my way on down. I think I'm gonna just do this whole van first. Just to kind of see where I'm at on time. Get this phone set up to do my time-lapse thing and check back in the field. Alrighty, cleaned up a little bit of this. Still got a pallet and a box in here, but I'm gonna knock out the interior. Just gotta sweep out the back here, and then we got some work up here. So I'm gonna get to it. The cavalry has arrived. Man, oh man. Woo! Glad they're here. Now we can kick this thing into high gear. Update. Walking right on through them. Getting it done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vans done. One thing we have to do now are dress them up. We're gonna line them up over there as we get them finished. So yeah, everything's going pretty smooth. Everything inside seems to be cleaning up real nice. You got a lot of stuff right under the seat. Yeah. That's what, just probably start from, don't stay right because you're gonna go right. Jump in through the back and spread out toward the door from behind you. Yep, so cargo van stuff. Nevertheless, I think what we got left. We got a refrigerator truck over there, and then these two for today. Might get that one. They just got back with that one though, so we shall see. Yep, get back to it. We got 7 vans under. I think we actually got 8. Somebody take one? I think somebody take one. But yep, got them all done, lined up, good to go. It's been a kind of a long day. Potsy headed out and everything. Go through and make sure all these doors are locked. Get ready to head on home myself. Looks like this is gonna be pretty much wrap up the working day. It's been a good one, can't I? Got through the vans pretty good rate. I'll say I had a little bit of a slow start trying to get everything figured out, organized and whatnot, but about time we got through the second, third van, we had a pretty good system. Got through everything, so it's looking pretty good. All right, let me do the last little bit of my paperwork, turn these keys in, and see y'all next time.